Andorra, the small nation located in the Pyrenees Mountains between France and Spain, with only 70,000 people living here, it is the 11th smallest nation in the whole world. You may have heard of it, but you probably don't know much about it. You might remember it being a tax haven, even though that's changing, because the pressure is caused by EU. But still, the personal income tax here is only maximum 10%, while in neighboring Spain it's 49%, and in France almost also the same. Personal income tax is not the only low tax in Andorra. It also has the lowest VAT in whole Europe, with only 4.5%. It's more than 4 times lower than in neighboring Spain or France, and the prices are also lower due to that. So the people from those countries are coming here to do their shopping, and the Andorra la Vella, the capital, is getting pretty touristy due to that. Shopping isn't the only reason tourists are coming here. As the average elevation of Andorra is almost 2 kilometers, there are great possibilities for skiing. But I'm not interested in shopping, and the ski season haven't started yet. So what else there is to do in Andorra? What is there for me? Join me. Let's tour this country unknown for so many. Let's see, what is Andorra? Hola, típico,
Este es de pan.
algo no dulce.
No dulce es coca de recapte.
Ok,
Es típica catalana.
típica catalana. Ok. Gracias. Andorra is full of tiny, cozy villages, like this, La Cortinada. And many of the villages are actually located on the road CC3, going up to the mountains. Even though you cannot ski in the mountains now, they are not completely useless. If you ask me, they are better out of the season. You can get great views from the top. The only problem with mountains is that, naturally, it requires a bit of climbing. Look at it! Isn't it worth it? Going down is easier, but a bit slippery sometimes. Sometimes the hill can be pretty steep. Be careful of these falling rocks.
Uh-oh.
Luckily, there's sometimes ladders.
Onneksi nää ei ole yhtään vanhat ja ruosteista.
Oh. I can see why they put this fence here. Luckily it's not as windy in here as it was in Iceland, otherwise this would be a suicide mission.
Kokeile siitä, nythän se saa sen yhteyden jo, ei kannata mennä siihen
Tuossa on hyvä tasainen.
Se ei näytä hyvältä tasanteelta, se näyttää aika vaaralliselta tasanteelta. Mä käyn hakee köyttä tosta noista systeemeistä. Hyviä solmuja espanjalaiset osaa tehdä. Buenos noches.
I can see my drone, but it's in a pretty bad place. I've never seen a cowboy throwing a lasso when he's sitting down.
Eikä mihinkään.
More. Jumissa.
Laitetaan nyt takaisin.
So I started to throw rocks at the drone to get it down, and finally one of them hit it, and now it should be down there somewhere. Let's see in which condition. The problem is that the terrain down here is not the easiest either. The drone basically could be anywhere. I turned on the drone locator. I don't know how exact it is, but it should be somewhere there according to map. I cannot make it beep because the battery is already dead.
Se on jossain tuolla.
At least now it's finally turning into a suicide mission. Let's go for it! Just need to be careful of a bit of these falling rocks. They are pretty slippery. Should not trust even the bigger rocks here.
Ei tule mitään.
How ironic that I have always wanted to try bouldering. But I believe those guys there normally have some safety equipments. Well, I have my jeans. It's like a more extreme budget version of Via Ferrata.
Ei onnistu siitä kyllä. Nyt on niin... Se on niin iso pudotus, ettei... Siinä on irtokiviä kanssa.
Luckily, I'm known also as a Tarzan in my dreams. It looks like a dead end. He could be there, but it's still going like 100 meters more up there, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to get these steep rocks there. I guess the rescue mission has come to an end. There's going to be a second challenge. How the fuck do I get down? So after hours of searching, it's finally time to admit the mountain won this time.